Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet some very easy sunflower coasters. And you can use these as little doilies as well as coasters. You can see them used here under a bud vase, under a beverage, under a candle, and under this cute little table lamp. Sunflowers are a symbol of adoration, loyalty, and longevity. And you don't have to crochet them only in yellow. You can do them in other colors just as a generic flower. To make these coasters, I'm going to work with worsted weight yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. To make smaller coasters, use a smaller hook. To make larger coasters, use a larger hook. I'm going to work with the brown and make the center, and I'm going to start like a slip knot, but I'm going to use my simplified magic circle. So it's exactly like if you were going to make a slip knot, but don't complete the slip knot. So you'll just chain 1, and then make 8 single crochet in this large loop. So 1, 2, 3, okay, so I have 8 single crochet. Now if I pull this, it's going to close up my circle. Now slip stitch to join in the first single crochet. Now chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. And I'm going to make 2 double crochet in each stitch all the way around. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. And that first chain 2 is going to take the place of my first double crochet. So now make 2 double crochet in each stitch all the way around. You'll have 16 stitches when you're finished. So double crochet 2 times in every stitch all the way around. 1, 2. So all the way around. Okay, I've worked all the way around the end of the row. Find that first chain 2, slip stitch to join, like that. Now you can stop after the 2 rows and work your sunflower, and this will give you about a 5-inch sunflower. So I'm going to add 1 more row in brown, and then I'm going to show you both sizes at the end of the video. Chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. Double crochet in the next stitch. Make 2 double crochet in the next. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. So 2 and 1, 2 and 1. Now all the way around. Slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2 and fasten off like that. Attach yellow yarn in any stitch. Just pull it through like that and just take 1 stitch to lock it in, and that will take the place of the first chain. So I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch in the 3rd stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch. Single crochet in the next stitch. Half double crochet in the next stitch. And double crochet in the last stitch. Now slip stitch in the next stitch. Chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Every petal will be worked exactly the same way. Slip stitch in the 3rd stitch from the hook. Single crochet in the next stitch. Half double crochet in the next. Double crochet in the last stitch. Slip stitch in the next stitch on the brown. And just continue all the way around. And there's a finished sunflower. You do that additional row, you'll have 24 petals on your sunflower. And this is the size that you will get if you only do the 2 rows of the brown in the center. So there you go. There's a very easy sunflower that you can crochet.